Hey everyone, I am Pramit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a Lego car out of 1 pieces. So let's start. These are the parts that we need. First take this. You see? One. And then this part over here. Then I will put some more space to it. Then middle brick, then here, then See, I was so prepared. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Boob Chasey. Boob Chasey. I'll call it Boob Chasey. I just got boob. I guess this plate is a little smaller. So let's make it this a small car. This over here. This right here. And this over here. So cool. Such cool design. There we go. It was so tricky to do. That's why I got everything under control. Then I'll take this. I'll get another one. Just from my space. Oops. I guess it fell off. I'll put it later. Next is turning up the face. The big with holes and the this one here. These two eyes are here. And here we go, Bunga. Then this over here. Then these 4 wheels. There we go. Booyah. Okay, let's drive. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oops, I broke it. Whoa. So amazing. Wow. That's incredible. It still stays stable. incredible. This is the flexible car I ever made. Right? Guys, you can make this flexible car too. Let me show you how it's flexible. Let me show you how you can play with it. You can roll it around and something very amazing you can see, guys. Let me show you guys. Here, I will remove this part over here. Then and the best part is it won't fall over. Right, guys? What about this? It won't still go because this is strong. Yes. See, guys? This is such a cool flexible toy car you can make. Okay? And there's a tricky way you can do this. But do this softly. You have to use this, okay? And bang it softly. See? So easy. Easy peasy. See. Here we go. Guys, this is the flexible car 1000. You can make this at home with 10696 Lego. So now, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name. You want to spell my name with me? Great, let's spell it. P-R-A-M-I-T. Pramit. Bye-bye.